Now we're going to do a few smaller things here with the assignment. We're going to find formats in our document. We're going to declare a character style and apply it to some text in our file. And then we're going to add some picture bullets to a bulleted list. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to find a particular format. And to do that, we want to click on the Find button up here on the Home tab. Now yours probably looks like this. You want to click on this More button. Now we can find just specific text, but what we're going to do is look for a specific format. If you click on the More, you'll get all these options here. Click on Format and select Font. Now I did this already before. I'm just going to reset it. So yours probably looks something similar to this. We're going to look for something that's bold and something that has that color that we've been using, right? So go ahead and select bold and the, what is it called? It's the accent, the pink accent to darker 25%. When you hit OK here, now we can find the next, and it's going to find anywhere in our document the next occurrence of a bold with that font color that we've selected. And you can see it's selected this word art in our bulleted list. That's where we want to be. So we're going to hit cancel. If you get anywhere else, just keep hitting find next until you get to the art part. Okay, so we're going to cancel. Now we have our selection. Now what we want to do now is declare a character style for that based off of the format for this word art. So what we're going to do is right click on it, still selected. Oops, I moved a little. So right click on it, go down to Styles and do Save Selection as New Quick Style. We're going to give it the name Categories. And before you hit OK, we're going to hit Modify, and we're going to make sure that this only applies to characters. When we use this style, it only applies to characters. So on the style type, click the arrow and select character. Okay, and then hit OK. Now we've created this categories style. You see it here in the list of styles that we can apply. The next thing we're going to learn is how to select non-adjacent text. What we want to do is we want to get all of our different categories here to have that category style. So we're first going to start by selecting electronics, and we want to select non-adjacent text here. So we're going to hold the control button down and then click and select entertainment, and you see it will remain selecting electronics and then select entertainment also. Still holding control, click and drag through home and garden. Okay, still holding control, click and drag through home equipment. So now you can see we've got text selected that's not right next to each other, non-adjacent text. What we want to do next is we're going to apply that category style, that character style that we got from the word art. So right here, if we hover over the categories, we can select it there. So go ahead and hover over and click it. If you click it, now all the colors will turn red and bold just like they are with the word art. And that's how we use character styles. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to include a picture bullet. To do that, we're going to select all of our paragraphs here in our bulleted list. We're going to go up to our bullets. We're going to click on the arrow on that, and we're going to do Define New Bullet. We're going to select Picture. It's going to bring us up a list of pictures that we can use for our bullets. And we're going to scroll down a little. The one for the assignment in the book is this. Feel free to use a different one if you like to, but this is the one from the book. We're going to hit OK. We're going to hit OK again, and it changes those bullets to that blue picture there. So that's your styles, that's finding formats and adding picture bullets.